Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to share an healthy and nutritious smoothie which is diabetic friendly. Yes, diabetics can use smoothies in their dinners or in their breakfast or in their snacks. Smoothies are the best option as they can't take the pure liquid form of juices or liquids. So smoothies are the best options where you can include so many vegetables, so many fruits or so many nuts and which are whatnot like dry nuts or seeds, many nutritious leafy vegetables and everything whatnot. You can add any of them and make the smoothies and take it in your diet. So here in this video I'll be sharing a healthy and tasty and yet very friendly in regulating the sugar levels for the diabetics. So for this we are going to use here figs. Yes, figs are said to be higher in sugar levels, but they are very low in glycemic index. So these can be used like not dried figs. You need to use fresh figs for this. When compared with the dried figs, fresh figs are very much useful for the diabetics. Instead of using dried figs, where dried figs somewhere can increase your blood sugar levels to the high. So avoid using this dried figs. So use fresh raw figs for the smoothie. So here with this smoothie you can add so many vegetables like spinach or carrots or any other vegetables which are very rich in nutrition values or vitamins and minerals. So spinach is very much rich in minerals and essential irons and fiber as well. So and also you can add orange juice to this smoothie, or you can add oats milk or oats or anything you can add and make a smoothie of it. So here first take the figs and cut them into pieces and add it to the blender jar and add some spinach and add some orange juice to it and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and blend it according to your consistency, how you need the consistency. Add some water, or you can add in this smoothie you can add buttermilk or curd, or optionally you can also add, if you are adding buttermilk don't add milk. So if you are adding milk don't add buttermilk. So in these two options you can add any of them. Like you need to add dairy free milks like coconut milk, almond milk or soya milk or oats milk or any peanut milk or anything which is plant based milk. So add these ingredients and blend it together and make a delicious smoothie. Here in this I am giving you a very vibrant variations, like vibrant options. You can add any nutritious fruit, that could be half apple you can add it instead of orange, or half kiwi you can add instead of oranges or apple, any of them. You can add guava. Guava is also very much rich in calcium and also dietary fiber. It has dietary fibers in it that helps you regulate with the sugar levels. So with this figs you can add, you can experiment with your innovation ideas and create your own delicious smoothie as well. So here, as figs, fresh raw figs are low with the glycemic index, they can be taken in your diet, or you can make an amazing smoothie and enjoy it and be healthy. And also you can make this smoothie in your dinner or lunch or any of the options in breakfast. So make it, enjoy it and be healthy.